Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Wednesday and one of those rare days in which we really don't have an overnight trade to give us some indication of where the market's going to open this morning in the grains. Calls are like 4 to 9 cents higher in the beans, maybe 3 to 5 cents higher in the corn and Chicago wheat, and we'll see what Minneapolis wheat wants to do with the drier than normal forecast. As far as the forecast goes, it looks like over the next, let's say, 6 days, there's a chance for showers across the Midwest, maybe favoring some of the southern areas and maybe extreme northern areas of the central Midwest. We're still worried about the Dakotas, Nebraska, parts of Iowa, and central Illinois missing out on some of these rains. The 6 to 10 day outlook is warmer and drier than normal. The 11 to 16 day is also warmer and drier than normal. And for those that are a little bit more bullish, let's say, than the average crowd, they see less than normal rainfall for last half July for much of the Midwest when the corn is pollinating. We get weekly crop ratings today. They were delayed from Monday because of the holiday. Most people expect corn, soybean, and ratings to be down about 1 to 2 percentage points from last week. We'll see if the spring ratings continue to drop. They are record low already. As far as the outside markets are concerned, we've got the dollar a little bit higher, crude a little bit lower. Lower crude might offer some resistance in the marketplace. We also note that on Monday, funds bought 19 beans, 14 corn, and 16,000 wheat. Still short 70,000 beans and corn, which is a head scratcher because every momentum trade indications said they should be long, not short. And now they're long 48,000 Chicago wheat. We had one hedge fund that said that if the U.S. soybean yield drops to 45 from USDA's 48, and that's a big if, they could see beans trade as high as $12 a bushel. We also note that commercials now are dropping their corn yield to 165 from the USDA's 170.7. That would give us an 1,800 carryout. Big difference there is that they're dropping exports down to 1,800 from this year's 2225. So it kind of offsets that. So 1,800 is still a number that probably would not push corn prices higher. But one fund on Monday thought that if we could get the yield down below 165, we could see 475 in these corn. So it's a weather market. You just don't know exactly where it's going to go for sure. Day trades are okay. Taking positions overnight is pretty risky. As soon as the market thinks it's going to rain, we're going to take all this weather premium off that we've added. If we don't get the rain, we'll keep adding to the premium. So it is an interesting year. It is an interesting market, and it's volatile and risky. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.